Hey guys, Chantel here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning my room with you all. Like, cleaning is therapeutic for me. I'm very much organized, guys, but sometimes I tend to throw things here and there. Hence this video. See my bed, everything is just in shambles. Reason being that I haven't even been in this room for the longest time. I came back yesterday, so this room has just been here like this. Let's do this. I'm pumped already. You guys, my wardrobe is in a state. I'm going to arrange everything. This side is for my dresses, this is for my jeans, and that area is for my Ankara dresses. Right here I have nothing much, just hair things, and here I have my nighties. Everything is scattered. I'm going to be folding each and every one of them properly. And here I have my towels. And here I have my swimsuits, which is rearranged though, so I'm still going to check that out. Over here, more scattered things. I have my bags in that shelf. I have my tops here, and I have my trousers, jumpsuits, and coats here, I believe. And down here is for my exercise things, and there is for my bed sheets and my duvet covers. So I'm going to arrange everything. Here I have my underwear, is out of bounds. And here I have my bras. And down here I have my extras. So I have my bath wash, I have my body sprays. This is Kenneth Cole, this is Victoria's Secret, this is Bath and Body Works, my shop. Lip balms, I have an array of lip balms, washing soap, diffuser, toothpaste, shaving cream, and facials, actually, my toner, my face scrub and stuff. I'm already running out of bath wash. Yeah, this area is cool. There's nothing happening here, so I'm not going to rearrange that. Over here I have my jewelry. There's really nothing much to arrange here. It's okay. This bag is for someone, so I'm not touching it. I have my makeup all arranged. I'm not doing anything here. I have my eyeshadows. These were standing like this. So yeah. Oh, this is my diffuser. I think I have a step down. I should try this out now. Actually, my room scent actually from Bath and Body Works. So this is okay now. Yeah. I have my lip products well arranged, blushes, more lip products. Here is somewhere that needs to be arranged. I don't know what is inside here, but there are a bunch of things I'm going to work on today, and I'll show you guys once I'm done. Okay, and down here I have my camera case, my IKEA setup. I don't even know why I kept this thing. I'm somewhat of a hoarder and some waterproof bags. I'm going to clear that up pretty soon. And here I have my novels and some other things which I'm going to arrange very soon. So let's just begin. Okay.
It used to be so simple. Haven't got a clue as to why the world is filled with lies. But then again, we're sinful, 'cause we keep the truth to ourselves. Maybe we're hypnotized. This is life. I've been living. Shit's too serious, but I can't advance it. I've been living, but I can't abandon it.
Oh wow, it's been almost 4 hours of cleaning and I am tired. Like, not even 4 hours, I've been cleaning since today. I did a deep clean of my whole house, everywhere in the house. I mopped, I cleaned, I scrubbed, and then came into my room. So I would say my room cleaning took me, plus organizing my closet, everything took me about 4 hours. It is past 7 now, and I think I started this at about past 2 to 3. I can't remember. I'm almost done. It's just left to sweep. I wanted to show you guys my plant, and I call her Ada. It's withering. I don't know what the problem is, but she's drying out, and I believe it has to do with my AC over there. Maybe it's drying her out or something, because I water her, but still, see, I don't know. I think I'm over it at this point. I don't know if I just want to take it outside and keep it, because I have done my best for this plant, but obviously I'm doing something wrong. I'll just clip off the withered areas and sweep my room and mop, and I am done. Everywhere looks pretty organized. Let me show you guys my wardrobe. I folded everything. So here I have my dresses. Up there I have my Ankaras. I have my jeans. This pile over here consists of my jeans, skirts, and shorts. And behind I have my jean jacket and jean dresses. But these two piles are jean trousers. While here I have my leggings. Here I have my 90s. What is wrong with you? I arranged this place so yeah, it's really full. And these are my shorts. These are pajamas. These are shorts and pajama sets, and these are gown 90s, and this is my silk house robe. These are my towels. I have my white pile here. These are my face towels, and these are my colored piles. This is my wrapper. Over here I have my swimsuit. I just rearranged it a bit. Most of my swimsuits are from Shein. Skincare, perfumes, body spray, my vitamin C, my biotin, and my cough syrup. I have my bags well organized, my belts, and over here I have my tops. So these two piles are t-shirts. Ignore my crusty hands. And behind I have all white t-shirts. Down I have a lot of white tees. And these two piles, the one behind and this one, consist of blouses and tops, not t-shirt. While this is camisole. These are my camisoles, some of my camisoles. I have a bunch of camisoles, but they're in my work bag. And over here we have trousers. All these trousers are new. I haven't worn any of these ones because there's nowhere to go. And here I have my jumpsuits and play suits. I still have some in the washer, but I'm here to arrange them. Inside there I have my co-ords. So co-ords are up and down in simple terms. And here I have my skirts, and yeah, just skirts. While here I have my exercise gear. These are workout pants. These are extra socks, new socks. These are workout bras. This whole pile here. And here I have my waist trimmer. I have my everything trimming actually. This is like a full one, this one, and this is the short of it down here. And inside this bag is a workout ball. I'm yet to inflate it, so that's why it's here. And behind I have my workout tops. Here I have my bed sheets and duvet covers. Inside this bag is a curtain that is not the size, that wasn't the size of my curtain, so I'm thinking of giving it out or doing something about it. I don't know yet. Over here I have my shoe rack. I brought out every shoe here, dusted them, and also cleaned the shoe rack. My work table, I rearranged it, dusted it, and the drawer I took out a lot of things like the books, because I have a book bookend something. So now I put my laptop charger, I put my lens, I put my Boya mic, my other Boya mic, that's this one right here, that's the packet, and my screwdrivers, my candle lighter, my scissors, and a bunch of other essentials. Dusted everywhere, clean. This was the cupboard that was scattered, so I arranged it again. And my storage, where I have a lot of bags, I just arranged it somehow. Dressed my bed, and yeah, I'm almost done. The ground still looks very dirty because I'm here to sweep and mop.
White lies, parallel.
I'm done. I just had my shower and I'm about to have tea. This is my cup of green tea. My room is sparkling clean now. Ooh. Everywhere looks so clean. If you enjoyed watching this video, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Good night.